right, we are back.
Yeah, we are back.
And what are we going to do here? Build a boat?
Yes, this game is called Build a Boat to Survive.
And we've played this once before, correct?
Yes.
All right. So do I still have my money from last time?
Yes.
All right, that's pretty cool. All right. So, and this, am I? You gotta remind me. Is this where I want to build it?
Yes.
All right. Okay. All right, you're helping me out.
Yes.
All right. Let's see here. Wood block. I don't need glass. Ice. Plastic is. All right. Ooh, concrete seems good. All right. Let's see here. So should I start with wood blocks and then go from there?
Yes.
All right. Boom, 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 boom. Whoop. I don't think I want. So are you also building a boat?
Yes.
All right. Let's see here. So I got some wood. Do a little bit of a platform here. Da-da. All right. So any tips on how I should make this?
Nope.
All right. Well, so I'm assuming that this concrete's stronger, right?
Yes.
Actually, marble's probably real strong.
Actually, titanium's the strongest.
Yeah, but I don't know if I can actually get titanium. So I'm going to put some marble along the outside of my boat.
Actually, in the game, they do have titanium. But it's $50 and you're about to run out of money, I think.
I don't want to run out of money. All right, let's try to... I just want to get like the outside of this thing locked up. I am running out of money though, you're right.
What material are you using?
I'm using marble. Is there a way for me to get more money?
Yes, but I can just...
Because I'm like poor now.
There we go.
Boat control. So where do I put this in the back?
Yes. I'm just gonna make like a tiny little like...
Alright. So I have no money. Oh, I've got some diamonds. I can use some diamonds, right? Can I do anything with 15 diamonds? A rocket? I don't know if I want to use a rocket.
Well, I mean...
Alright, so
let me show
I'm
you
out of
something
money.
cool. Look. So, if you stand on this, you fly.
Okay. Alright, so I'm out of money. So should I launch my boat and see what happens?
No, because then it launches my boat, and I am not ready.
Oh no. Okay.
So now I'm just building
So I get more money in 17 seconds. What happened? How much money do I get?
I think you get like 100.
Okay, I can use 100. I'll start figuring out what I want. Ooh, a seat probably would be good. I'll put some seats in this boat. Yep, 100 it was. All right, here you go. Should I put 2 seats? I put 2 seats. What's a floater do? Oh, is that what that thing down there is?
Yeah,
that
but
you jumped on?
but you need to join the group.
Join the group. What group?
The owner of the game's group.
Oh. Oh, what's a turret do?
I have no clue even what a turret is.
Oh, normally a turret's like a gun. Will this like shoot stuff?
It might be like a booster. Oh.
Oh, you need Robux. Nope. None of that for me then.
And like a cool little tower. Awesome.
refrigerator.
Oh, that's awesome.
A wedge. I don't want decorations. I want stuff that's actually useful. A corner block.
Who needs a TV and a boat? And just in case it gets dark, everybody needs a light. Well, that actually doesn't work.
Wedge. Oh yeah, we're gonna do this.
And that's smart. But I am not finished my boat just yet.
Alright, well let me know when you get finished.
I'm adding layers of. I'm adding one layer of titanium to my boat.
Now I'll use the corner block. We don't talk about right now. Bum, 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 bum. $36 left. A booster, what does that do?
I have no clue.
What do I need a toilet for? How long will I be on this boat?
Well, also if you have to throw up.
I have to throw up. I don't want to throw up.
Well, then you should use a toilet.
All right,
There you go, toilet.
Oh, thank you. And a fridge.
Oh, where do you want the fridge? I'm gonna place your fridge. Since
thank you.
It's you have to join the group for the toilet, fridge, and TV. So yeah. Oh, and the lights don't exactly work as lights.
Oh.
I'm gonna add my seat. Actually, I'm
missing one of my marbles. Darn it! I thought I had a piece of marble, block of marble there, but it's gone. All right, well, I'm missing one. Let me just I'll put a granite block. I can afford granite. All right. How's your boat doing? Are you ready yet?
Almost.
Almost.
I'm placing some seats. Alright. First of all, I'm gonna check yours out. Your place is good. And this is mine.
Okay.
You can climb up this ladder over here. Oh, I said you can climb up the ladder. The ladder, and there will be three seats that you can sit in.
Well, that's pretty cool. All right, you ready?
All right. Well, is everybody in their seat?
How do I get my seat?
You just you need to get out. Oh, you need to get out of a belt mode or whatever.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Sit and
all right, launch.
Here we
go.
go.
All right, let's see how we do. I'm crashing into you. That's not good.
Oh, that's actually good because I'm protecting you.
Oh, okay. Well, I appreciate that.
I do not like that.
Ooh, 25 gold up there. You don't mind if I do?
Everything that you pass gets you 25 gold.
Well, I hope we pass a lot of stuff then, because I want some gold. Haven't hit anything yet. That's pretty cool.
And there's a El Dorado challenge that I haven't been to yet. And I'm hoping that we don't get hit by anything. Because luckily, I would have shade if I didn't put my thing right here. Well, luckily we are not in
some rocks.
Luckily, we're not in the titanium breaking zone yet.
All right, we're in 25 monies I've got. I missed those. That's pretty cool.
I haven't hit any damage, and I don't know about you.
Is there a way to see how much damage I have, or is it just like when I've got less blocks?
Yeah, and
I've been going like right down the middle. This is pretty cool.
I've been going down the.
These guys in front of me are taking all the damage, suckers.
And oh no, I think I'm gonna.
Oh no, hot dog.
And I didn't get stuck. Oh, good. They don't throw bats at you.
Oh, that's good. I don't want to get bats thrown at me. Look at these hot dogs.
I think that's build a boat for treasure that they do. Oh.
I'm getting wrecked by sandwiches.
I'm getting a lot of calls.
Oh, you're very popular.
I am. I am.
Bum. Oh no, I'm hitting a treasure. There should be gold in that treasure chest. I should get that gold. That's not
We're
cool.
on the El Dorado challenge.
Yeah? Do I get money for getting through here?
You get 25 gold.
I want more than that. I should a special challenge should give me special money. I want 1,000 gold.
I haven't lost any, and you have lost.
I've lost some.
You've lost a little bit.
How did I get ahead of you?
I have no clue.
I liked it better when you were ahead.
Oh no, it was.
Ooh, I got a badge awarded.
Does that give us 24K?
No, I don't think so.
That'd be cool.
That'd be really cool. Could make an awesome boat then.
Ooh.
I'll build a sweet boat.
I already have 20K. So
Build a yacht.
I only have 20K. 25 gold.
Someone needs to clean up this river. There's lots of stuff in it.
Oh no.
What the heck is that I'm driving into?
Cannons and chains. Or those little like.
I don't want to drive into cannons. Who's leaving all their cannons in the water? It's rude. It's real rude. I don't know who this person is. Nope.
That's my friend who's actually calling me.
Oh, is it? Oh, should I have said yes?
I have no clue.
No, I should have. Darn it. I'm sorry. If I knew that was your friend, I would have let him join. How do I ask them to join my team? Can you tell them to request it again?
I know.
Which friend is it? You want to give him a shout out?
Yeah, oh, I died.
Did you really?
Yeah, I didn't even notice.
Oh no. Oh, I'm still going. My boat's not doing so hot. I lost my co-pilot seat. Bump. Bump. Hey, the fridge is still going strong.
Except.
Yes. Boom. Oh no, my fridge is gone. That's where all my sandwiches were. Oh, this looks like a tough. I'm probably not gonna make it through here.
Oh, this is the last. Oh.
I'm probably not gonna make it though. I'm not doing so hot here. Nope. And I am underwater. Oh, I'm like jumping around. Nope. I'm pretty sure I'm not doing too hot now. Oh, I got a bunch of money though. So that's pretty cool. All right, so we got to build another boat. All right, I want to make my boat. So is the best way to make your boat just like really tall?
Well, actually, hold on, let me try something out here. We could do this and make a never-ending ladder.
Yeah, and just ride the ladder down. And does that work?
Yes.
Should I put some titanium at the base?
Yes. Once
Okay.
we reach the top.
Woo!
Oh no! I fell. All right,
I'm gonna put a little bit of titanium around the base.
Oh, looks like not. We're all making something.
Can we all share the same boat?
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
So whatever you do, do not click launch boat.
Ooh, what if I did?
I think my friend would be kind of mad. This is kind of funny. She's just building it, and I'm just climbing up.
All right.
Oh. Does this ever end? Oh, did we reach the top? Did we hit the top?
I don't know. It keeps going and going.
I think. Yes. I guess this is high enough.
All right. Well, here's what I want to do then. If this is high enough.
We're building a somewhat type of base. Oh, you're almost up. You're almost up to the very, very top.
It's pretty high up. There we go. All right. So I want to put.
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh no! All right, and then we're gonna just put 1, 2, 3 seats. All right, so I'm gonna exit build mode, and I'm gonna sit. All right.
I think she wants to do something. She likes building.
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna sit and wait. Holy smokes!
I know, doesn't it look so scary?
That's pretty crazy. All right, should I launch?
Nope.
Oh, she'll get mad.
Yeah.
All right. We're so high up.
If you jump... Oh, I forgot one thing.
What's that?
Let me just tell her. Yeah, last time we did this, it didn't go out well.
Oh no.
She said, "Oh yeah."
All right. I want to launch. All right, here you go. Not yet. How much longer?
How much longer? Oh, I think she's making a bed. So we have somewhere to sleep. Yeah, so last time we tried this, it didn't go. Is that all right? Is that all right?
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go! Oh no. Sit down.
Launch boat, here we go.
Here we go!
So
This is what happened last time!
What?
I know!
Why didn't you tell me that? Of course that was going to happen again. I thought it would stay upright.
Not exactly.
That did not work.
I know, right?
So does it kind of just like pull us now? Oh, does it? Oh, it kicks us back up?
Oh,
nope.
Cause she added the little flying thing.
This doesn't seem good.
Did we get any money?
Oh, we did get money. Got
No.
1.23K.
No, that was insane. How about we never make that again? Oh wait, we did the Eldorado. Oh, I just got a badge. Seriously? Well, now I am going to make the best boat ever.
Okay.
So you start off with.
All right, I'm gonna make a very simple boat. All right, let's see here. We're gonna make it out of. Is gold stronger? Gold seems like it's stronger.
What's 100?
Yeah. Well, it's probably twice as good then.
I know. And you're about to be broke, so.
It's alright. It's always more money. I'm going to put my one seat here in the middle. And then we're just going to put some wood blocks to kind of give me some time to... So what do you got? Is this, you're building a big outside of the thing?
Well, we were thinking about maybe making a whole big thing.
So what if I do this and attach it?
Well, actually, if you wonder what we're doing, we might just be making a whole big thing. You guys can build your boats while I do this.
What do you guys do if I just launched right now?
Well, we're in the, she in the middle of building a little, you know what, how about, no, don't, no, don't even say that, no.
Oh, you guys got enough seats.
Here we go. Wait, now we have to hello. We got a technical difficulty on aisle 53. Oh, it's moving. Give it a few seconds. It's moving. It's moving.
Very slowly.
It moved very slowly. Are we still moving?
I can't tell.
I don't think we are.
Shall this person join us? I don't know him. Should I let him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it went away.
This is kind of funny. She said, hey, wait. Okay, where are we going to wait? Where are we going to wait? Yeah, I don't think we're moving anymore. Wait, maybe if I just...
Oh.
How about now? Nope. Wait. All right, well, somebody joined and...
Could I push it?
Push. Well, now we only have 3 seats and there's 4 people.
Can I kick him off the team, or how does that work?
I'll just stand here. Okay. Oh! I think he wants... Hurry. You should... Oh. You don't die.
Yeah, he's gonna make it.
Well, actually... Oh no. Oh, he died. Wait, let's try and push this thing, okay?
How do you do that? Whoop.
part of our boat is
Back on land.
stuck on land, and the other half is what is he doing? The heck is he doing? So let me try and reset and see if I can do something to make it work. Okay, so
Can you like delete some of the pieces that are in the way? Because it's too big, right? That's the problem.
oh yes, I can not.
Oh, it won't let you.
Oh, Maddie's now trying to do other stuff.
I don't think this is a good plan.
Yeah, I don't think this was going to be yeah, maybe we shouldn't have tried doing this.
Yeah, I think it's too big. Went too big. Too big, Golf. Too big.
I might have been too big. I made it.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I think we did this too big.
Is there a way to, like, nudge it?
I tried deleting it. It don't work. It don't work.
I guess we have to all die?
No, it's still gonna stay here.
Well, if we all jump in the water and die, then it'll reset, right?
No.
No. Alright, I'm gonna try.
Maybe we can try pushing. Push.
Oh, one of those blocks just, like, slid.
Push.
Oh, it's moving some.
Oh. Oh, it's moving.
Yeah, but I fell in the water. So I'm gone.
It's slightly. Oh no! Launch! No, don't launch it. Don't launch it yet. You should launch it and see if it works. So you can't like. Maybe this wasn't a good idea after all.
Okay, if I'm building, I'm gonna put another seat on here for our new friend. Oh, it won't let me.
Yeah. How about? It's moving. It's moving. Fine.
All right, here we go. Let's see if it gets stuck again.
Fine.
I bet it does.
Hey! Oh. That was weird. No, I'm not on. Oh no, I'm not on. Wait for me. No, I didn't make it.
Did you really fall off? That stinks.
No, the thing flew, and I was sitting down, and the thing like glitched and flew. So I'm like, oh well, now we're stuck. And then like it flew me off the seat. And this other guy is I don't know what he's doing, but
Is he even still on the boat?
no, he is long gone.
Well, I don't know him.
He's like AFK on on this little like strip of land, and I don't know why.
Boat up there. We're moving again. A little bit.
I'm gonna try and catch up to you guys. Did she find those? Oh, booster. That's where it is. Maybe I should buy myself a seat before I try and use one of the boosters. Hey, you want to turn your thing back and look at that spinning piece? I tried making a boat with a booster on it. It didn't quite go as booster planned.
Uh-oh, Maddie's about to die.
Yeah, I don't think she's going to make it like that far.
Whoa.
I don't think
The thing's flying around. I'm not really moving very much right now.
I don't. No. Why? I'm going to try a booster. Sitting.
I hope I see you soon.
And activate.
I'm moving a little bit.
Activate. Hello, I'm activating it. This. What the heck? Yeah, this is so. Oh!
There you go. I think I'm moving again.
I'm trying to come up.
How come none of this boat's broken yet?
I'm almost there.
Oh, I see you coming. I see you coming.
I'm almost there with
Will you knock me loose? How's this gonna work?
I tell you if I know. If I know. No, I'm too. I think I'm pushing you.
Well, that's good. I need to move.
I think
I'm beach wrecked.
Oh no, my thing!
No, that's not gonna help. Well, I've got a seat for you if you can make it over.
No.
Oh, nope, you're gone. All right, I'm starting to lose some of my boat over here. That's cool, I guess.
We're coming!
It shouldn't let you make a boat this big if it won't actually fit down the river. This doesn't seem very fun.
Well, maybe we weren't supposed to add the corners, and you should just die.
Yeah, you're probably right. So if I jump through this, will I get 25 gold?
Yes, I'm guessing.
All right, let's see if I get it.
You just jump through. Yeah. Hey, you did it!
Oh.
And did you? Hey, you got 25 gold, I think.
Well, that's pretty cool, I guess.
Jumping.
Who's making this boat here? Is that
Yeah, she's making it.
Should I put some gold in front? Because gold's really strong, right?
I don't know if
Would that be helpful?
No, I don't think she wants gold on her boat.
What? Everyone likes gold. What if I make a separate golden piece just to like break stuff up?
Well, I think she's trying to make a bunker thing.
Let me do this.
Well, I'm going to add another layer of titanium. Actually, no, that's gonna take too long. I'm gonna make a bajillion boosters on the back. You know what? I'm gonna do that because I can. Oh wait, you can place boosters on boosters? That's kind of funny.
Alright, I'm out of money. Let's make some wood blocks.
I don't know what I just did, but it looks cool. Wait, how the heck did she get up there?
Alright, so I just need to have money for my seat.
See if you can jump on that and then jump up. Great. She's adding a whole bunch of layers. Even though this looks ugly, it looks cool. Do you like all the boosters in the back?
I do.
Actually, don't add a chair. We can just stand in the middle.
Nope.
Well, then you're gonna activate it, but then you can't activate.
Nope, I'm just gonna sit here. Tell me when it's time to launch.
Well, I am going to do this. Yes, I did. I did the booster.
Let's close the TV in there.
You like my protection? It's made out of all the bricks that you can make. Get.
All right.
Wait.
All right. 3.
Wait.
2.
You need to get in here. You need to get in here.
1.
Wait, I'm not. I don't have a seat. And let me just. Oh.
Are you good?
I just need to add a few of these layers and.
All right, I'm going.
Here we go. And the back is looking.
Oh, we're spinning around.
Oh no. Are we able to activate any? Activate. Activate. Come on, activate. Maybe this protection layer wasn't the best. Oh, it's actually working.
Yeah, it's getting some stuff knocked out.
Barely any for us. I feel like the protection's being protected by the protection that you made. What did I just say?
It was a quality block.
A quality block? Oh, I don't know. Okay, you can get that out of the way.
All right.
Oh my gosh, we're like going down.
Getting through pretty well. Here we go. Get that next 25 gold is ours.
Oh, we only have one little thing broken. It's brick.
It's okay. We got lots of layers. Boom.
This is the El Dorado Dorado challenge. You really should have came down here. It's more safe in here.
Yeah, but I like the view.
Well, we have a TV.
Yeah, but I like seeing nature.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it so much.
Alright, we're doing pretty good.
Yes, we quite are.
We're more than halfway through. Now I'm going through cannon land. People leaving all their cannons in the
Who
water.
even leaves their cannons in the
Oh, no.
water?
Someone that's very rude.
I'm pretty sure somebody who is really rude would actually do that, though.
Yeah, the river's no place to put cannons.
They're breaking our brick layer. No!
Alright, we got more layers.
Then they can take our other layer, and then they can take our final concrete layer. And then if they break that layer, we're doomed.
People shouldn't put books in a river either. It's really bad for them. Books don't do well in water. Smears the ink. And you can't read them. Oh, spinning around a little bit. Book. Book. Alright, we're getting close to the end. Your shield's getting beat up a little bit.
I know, I'm worried. Wait, what shield?
The block shield.
The brick shield.
That's not all brick. No, the other one.
Oh, yeah. The one with all the block materials.
Yeah, the block shield.
I don't really know if it's a shield anymore. Now it's kind of just a blob.
So close. Close. Alright, we're getting close. Still doing good. So is that... Oh, nope, still going? Is there a waterfall at the end?
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary. Whoa. Now I wish I was inside.
Here we go! Oh. I told you you'd wish to be inside. But we're safe now! Woo!
Well, that's pretty cool.
Whoa!
So now what do we do? Just run around?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Alright, well that's pretty cool. So, I think that was probably good for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. And then have a great day. And tell someone a good joke.
Yeah.
Alright. Bye.
Bye!